harassment that occurs online can have severe consequences. Victims often experience emotional distress, including anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. The constant exposure to negativity and cruelty can lead to social isolation, sleep disturbances, and even suicidal thoughts. That's why we should always think before we click.
It's tough to avoid cyberbullying completely, but you can take steps to protect yourselves. Be mindful on what you share online, especially the personal data that can be used against you. If someone is harassing you, don't engage. It usually just makes things worse. Block them, save any evidence, and report the behavior to a platform of trusted adults. And remember, you're not alone. Talking to someone that you can really trust about what happened can help you talk.